Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something different in my PP weeks. I'm going to be planning the month of March. I know it is the beginning of February, but this is one of the new releases that we have in my shop, and I want to make a video for you just in case you want to get this kit. The link of my shop as well as a coupon code, it is linked everything and explained on the description of this video. I took out this washi from Simply Gilded. I believe it's gonna match pretty well with the blues, and it's in hollow foil. Let me see, there you go. I love it. And yeah, I want to make the video so you can see how it works. This is the current month before the pen, and I'm gonna be doing the one for March. I know that there's some numbers in here. It is when I'm designing things, I just try to visualize where I'm gonna place the boxes, but I don't mind. I will be erasing that maybe with the tiny eraser that I have right here, or covering those with the date covers. So yeah, this kit's name is part of the collection of our spring kit, that is the blooming kit, and I think it looks adorable. I love the flowers, love the colors, it's beautiful. So I'm gonna start. Let me place the washi because that is for another thing that I have to mark down in the week, but first I want to place everything. And I thought that it was a good idea to make this video so I can explain to you a little bit more how the sheets are, these sheets are made. The month, I make them starting on Sunday. I don't know, it's something about the monthly view. I need to start on Sundays. It's something that my brain is so used to do that yeah, it's kind of normal for me that when I see a monthly view, it starts on Sundays. But for the weekly views, it needs to start on Mondays, you know? That's how it works. I got the day strips, and this box is supposed to cover this area. Like so. And then the other box is to cover this area from Sunday to Wednesday, like this. I'm gonna start placing the dates. So I'm gonna speed everything because this is kind of repetitive and I don't want to boring you with this. So I'm gonna speed everything and I'll be right back. Okay, I just finished placing all the numbers. Now I have this box that is to cover this box that is empty. And there's another one that is, oops, I took the wrong sticker. And there is this one that is supposed to be the quote, but it is the same, as you can see, it is the same width and everything, the same measurements from this one. So just in case you want to have the quote at the top, you can do so, or at the bottom. But since I already did it with the intentions to be at the bottom, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be placing that right here. And the quote says, to plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. And the quote is from Audrey Hepburn. And this is the bottom washi. I love it, but I love it more when it's not crooked. Like so. There is something about placing the stickers like in vertically. I mean, yes, vertically, that is much better for me than like this. So now I'm gonna be placing our paydays. We have paydays every week, so I will be placing that. And I try to place my paydays at the bottom. I'm not going to mark down all of the bills from my family in this planner. All that I want to track in here are the ones from my business. So I know that I have a bill due the same Thursday. And let me place a box for that. Yes, I like it. I don't have birthdays, but I know that the daylight savings is on the 8th, and that is why I'm gonna be placing a box in here. There's a stain in my paper. So I'm gonna be placing the box in here. And there's another St. Patrick's is on the 17th, and I have a bill due that day. That is my Simply Glitter subscription box that I'm always excited to have. Who says that I was gonna be happy to pay a bill, huh? And there's another one on the 10th, another bill due. Since I have a box so close, I'm just gonna leave it like this. And the other one is on the 27th, and we'll be putting that like so. I believe I don't have birthdays on. That is crooked. Let me just fix this box. Tiny box. I believe I don't have birthdays in March. But yes, and what I want to mark down, it's a sale that my shop is participating. The sales is the 6th through the 9th and up. I am placing this Simply Gilded washi those days, but I have to move this because I want to place the washi at the bottom. You know, I forgot the first day of spring, that is on the 19th. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place this box over here because I have a blue one in here, and I will be placing that. And then the other one in here, and I will just leave this bill due by itself. Let me just finish with the washi. Like so. Honestly, I think that hollow foil looks very good, but at the same time I believe that gold and rose gold foil will look beautiful too. And this is what is left from the kit. I have 2 appointments, 2 birthdays, and 2 more bill due stickers. But this is how it looks. I think it looks adorable, beautiful. I like it. I love flowers, and this kit makes me very, very happy. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive notifications every time that I upload a video. Thank you so much for being here, for all the love and support. I am sending you big hugs and tons of gratitude because you come and visit me and leave me some comments. I get very, very happy when I'm answering you comments and things like that. Thank you for connecting with me, and like always, I will see you next time.